Hi guys, it's Joe. So I wanted to share with you a couple of cards and some goodies that I made this past weekend. I went to a card kit swap over at my friend's house, Denise, and basically our theme was spring, Easter, birthday, and we're supposed to make a card kit so that we can swap with the ladies who are there. So let me just show you the cards that I made, or that was given to me. So this one was from Anna, and it's this really pretty card, nice and clean and simple, and the sentiment says a happy hello. There's a little glitter butterfly and some pearls, and inside is blank. So this was the card kit that she had given us, and then she also gave us this cute little cookie treat and this cute little tag. So that's from Anna. This one is from the host, Denise. It came with envelope, and it's this cute little Easter card, and she was so nice. All the ladies are nice, but for her card kit she actually colored the images, and in hindsight my card has a colored image, but I didn't color it, so my bad. Next time. So she gave us this embossing paper that's already inked up, some flowers, this cute little bunny, happy Easter sentiment, and it's all popped up on dimensional adhesive. So that's her card. And then she also gave a cute little treat bag, and this one she gave some homemade shortbread cookies. Really good. I've had one so far, but kind of, you know, rationing it. So she made this cute little bunny tag. It's paper pieced, and I believe she colored it with Copic markers. Some flowers, a really nice thick tag. I think it's made out of chipboard. So she gave us that. And then this card is from another girl, Yenny, and this is an envelope she provided, this cute little swimming pool die cut and these images. She also provided the Copic markers that she used to color these images, so we colored it exactly the way she did it. This cute little girl on a donut floaty, a pineapple floaty, and a flamingo. There's a diving board. Really cute. And then inside, the sentiment we stamped was, hope your birthday is a splash. So there's that card. And she also gave some goodies. She came in this cute little bag, and I'm thinking it varied per person, but inside was this really cute and fun unicorn washi tape. Let's see if we can focus. And this is from thesassyclub.com. Really cute. I'm working on a unicorn project that I'll share in a bit, so that will come in handy. And this cute little notebook says ideas, lined paper inside, and a pencil that says own your today. So she gave us that. This cute card is from Patty. She's Shabby Pink Stamper on YouTube, and she provided an envelope, and there's this cute Easter shaker card. So she basically provided everything. Everything was die cut, and she had all the images colored as well. The chicks and the sentiment is all from My Creative Time. Really pretty sequins. And then it's blank. It's on corrugated cardboard, cardstock. So that is her cute fun shaker card. And she packaged it in a cute little bag, and she also, I think I still have it, had this cute little tag as well. She Copic colored the image and the background. Really cute. All of these ladies, their presentation was awesome. So that was Patty's card. And then this one is from Vicky, and she has a YouTube channel as well, Vickyville, and I'll put her all the links in the description box of these ladies if they have any. And this is the envelope she provided, and the image is from Lawn Fawn, and she basically cut everything up in the card kit, provided enamel dots of it, several colors so that we can choose. She also provided the Copic markers for to color the jelly beans, and you probably can't tell, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but I put Wink of Stella on some of the jelly beans, and it's on dimensional adhesive as well. And yeah, so that's her card on purple cardstock. And the way she packaged this card kit, it was just so cute. It was basically, I have the box here, this box, and all the cards elements were inside. And then she also had this twine and washi tape around the box. It was just so cute. We were like, what? So anyway, so that's from Vicky. And then this one is from Marina. She's Scrapstress on YouTube, my YouTube partner in crime. And so she gave us this really cute card kit. The dies, I believe, are all from Mama Elephant. The sequence is Pretty Pink Posh. She didn't have a sequence on her initial card. She gave it to us as an option if we wanted to put it on, and then I put it on. The images were not colored, but then she also provided the colors that she used for the images, and we just, you know, colored it her way or any way, which way we wanted. But look at these eyelashes, so cute. I love the stitching around the cardstock right here. This is a blush cardstock that she got from Michael's. She has a haul video on that as well, and her YouTube channel will be in the back, in the description box, sorry. And yeah, so that is her card, and the bunnies are on dimensional adhesive as well. Just really cute card. All these cards were just amazing, and you know, some of the ladies weren't able to make it due to family emergencies and whatnot, but we had a really fun time. And then this is my card using an Easter image from Some Odd Girl Stamps, and she's a digital image. I colored her with Copic markers. I added some stardust stickles on her ears, her tail, and her stockings, her socks. The sentiment is from My Creative Time, the same Easter stamp set that Patty had used. Flowers from I Am Roses, and the paper is from an oldie but goodie. It's from October Afternoon. It's from two separate kits. I think Flying Kite and something else, but I'll try to make a video on how I made this card, and also Copic video. Hopefully I can. But yeah, so that's my card. And I did have the Copic colors that I used, but they colored it on their own, and in hindsight, next time I'll color the image if I had one for the next card kit. But yeah, that's my card. So, and then also I got goodies from Rena. She shared these precision tip bottles with me, and I was about to buy them too, but so yay. And she also got me, I was eyeing this as well, and then this is the Mama Elephant bag accessory kit, and this one is the panda slash bear. So cute. I was really eyeing this, and I was surprised that she got this, but she knows what I like. And then this is the card that she made me. So cute. Love her cards, and look at the stitching detail on the cardstock. The images are popped up on dimensional adhesive, and she colored these with Copic markers. So cute. And then she also gave me this paper pad, the Pink Passport. I'm sure you've seen this already, but this is her favorite page. The eyelashes, and then it has flowers, a Vespa scooter. Oh, this is cute too. Girls. Just a really girly, fun paper pad. So she gave me this, yay! And I had just destashed my papers and my paper pad, so I have room for this. And okay, yeah, that's it. So these are the cards I made at the Card Kit Swap this past weekend. Oh, I had set stuff aside, sorry. Denise also had a raffle, and we did a swap, we did a gift swap as well. So one of the prizes that I won was washi tape. I had destashed washi tape too, so it's nice to have some to replenish. And then this cute little bottles here, and some enamel dots, gemstones. And then I also got other stuff for the raffle winnings. I got some Sherry Baldy, My Besties paper, this cute little cactus die stamp combo, and again more washi tape. So it was a potluck too, so I made my raspberry pretzel dessert. There was chips and salsa. There was really good garlic bread, some what is it? I think it's baked ziti, some pasta. It was just awesome. But yeah, so these are the cards I made and the goodies that I got, and I'll see you next time. Bye.